And today I'm going to speak about PowerPoint, please. I'm going to speak about a philosophy, and before I start about this philosophy, which says CCTV is not enough. It's a starting point. Shalwach, right? I want to explain to you what is the meaning of the word ComServe. Because when we developed this product, why did we develop it? Because we believe, हमने खातरी હતી કે અત્યારના સિચ્યુએશનમાં જે રીતે સીસીટીવી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી વધી રહી છે, it is not a complete surveillance. It is incomplete. CCTV today is an incomplete solution to surveillance. It is a starting point. We took COM from complete and SIR from surveillance and made it into ComServe. So that's the background of why we gave this a brand name. And I want to prove a few points. Why do we believe so strongly that CCTV is not enough? Why? Change. Come there, Ravi. जो CCTV બધું જ કામ આપણું કરી નાખતું હોય તો મને કહો કે આ ઓકે before we do that આપણે જરા ત્રણ વિડિયોઝ જોઈએ, very small videos, પણ જુઓ આ બધી જ જગ્યામાં CCTV છે, પણ જુઓ શું થઈ રહ્યું છે. This is a class in China and you will wonder कि why do we send our children to school and school से हमारे ત્યાં CCTV છે, हमारे buses में CCTV છે. Look at that. Yeah, it's okay, I don't need the voice. I need to show you how she kicked. Take a look at this video. Small jewelry shop. She's pulling out a blue box, putting it in her sari. એને કેમ ખબર છે કે આ બ્લુ ડબ્બામાં શું હતું? ત્યાં કેમેરા છે. આપણે ભગવાનને છોડતા નથી, ત્યાં કેમેરા છે, છતાંય ચાલતું નથી. કેમેરા શું ફાયદો? કેમેરાથી ફાયદો શું થયો? It's a false sense of security unless you do something about it. Take a look at this. Those of you who like pizza very much, next time before you eat a pizza, take a look at that guy's hands. Jojo. But okay, આજે તમને હસવું આવે છે, but when these things become a reality, you are not going to like it. So if CCTV was enough, next slide please. Everybody knows about the Smriti Irani case, right? Which happened, Goa ma thayo a case in a very popular store. There was nothing wrong with the camera. The person who was involved, all he did was changed the position of the camera and it started facing in the changing room. There was a camera, but it was facing in the changing room where it should not have been looking at. So, moral of the story, how did CCTV help? It is not supposed to be doing that. Next slide. When this case was solved by the police, who was held responsible? The management. Why was the management held responsible? Because it is the duty of the management to ensure that CCTV is monitored. Nobody monitors CCTV. We think that CCTV लगा दिया, काम हो गया, but that is not true. Next slide, please. In the Petroleum Ministry case in Delhi, there were lots of secrets, खूब secrets photocopy करके चोरी करता था. Lots of secrets were being taken away. And what did they do? They bribed the CCTV operator. So रात्रे अमुक टाइम नक्की करो तो आ टाइम થી આ टाइम कैमरा बंद કરી નાખો, फोटोकॉपी करो और હું પછી कैमरा ચાલુ કરી દઈશ. તો એ CCTV શું કામનું આવે? Next slide, please. In this particular instance in Mumbai, एक पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर एक पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर है, बीजा पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर ने मारी नाख्यो गनથી. એ લોકો જ્યારે એવિડન્સ શોધવા ગયા તો ખ્યાલ આવ્યો કે કેમેરા ચાલતો. These are all common problems that are faced by system integrators, by customers, irrespective of camera brand. Irrespective, this is happening, and this will continue to happen for one reason or the other. For one reason or the other. Nothing to do with the camera brand, but this is the way the nature of the camera is. Next, please. Very interesting case in Mumbai. Molestation case of a child. What did that person do? When they went to find out the footage, there was this DVR. The DVR was showing that it was working. There is a light. Everybody knows there is a DVR. That it has a light. It was working, but they still could not find the footage. And I just want to show you, all of you know how simple it is to open the DVR, and probably he just took away the hard disk. That's it. Take away the hard disk, replace the hard disk with another hard disk, and you have lost your footage. As simple as that. This is what a DVR looks like from inside. 6 screws. All it takes is 6 screws to open up a DVR. Next slide. Before that, see what the parents say. The parents are saying, we want footage checked every day. Every day the parents want that the school should start checking the footage. Next slide, please. This was a case of an abduction at a railway station. Shabir spoke about the fact that you need to clean your cameras. Footage મળ્યું એ લોકોને, camera ગંદા હતા, they could not solve the case. Next slide, please. 2 women arrested for stealing baby. They went into a hospital, put on the gown, put on the clothes of a nurse, stole a baby and went there. Camera છે, છતાંય ચોરી. Moral, camera is the beginning. Next slide. Very interesting case. Somebody spoke about jewelry business here. Very interesting case. एक jeweler case है मुंबई में. Some people came. They had lunch with him. They killed the guy. They stole 12 lakhs worth of jewelry. 12 lakh रुपयाની ચોરી કરી અને સાથે હાર્ડ ડિસ્ક લઈને ભાગી ગયા. Footage. Next slide. Robbers flee with ATM. આખું ATM લઈને ભાગી ગયા. એ લોકોને ખબર, police station was only 200 meters away, but they knew that the camera is not working. How did the camera help? Next. So I want to come to something very basic. આ બધી વસ્તુઓ છે ને, these are headaches. Do you agree? આ સરદર્દ છે, headaches. And unfortunately, what the entire industry concentrates on, instead of doing something very basic, they will ask you, તમારી પાસે facial recognition છે, તમારી પાસે alert system છે, તમારી પાસે will your camera do this, will your system do this? But tell me one thing, which alert system, which camera, if a guard has gone to sleep at night, which is a normal problem, common problem, guard is sleeping, કયો alert મળશે? How will you get an alert? એક નાનું બચ્ચું સ્કૂલમાં 10th floor ઉપર જઈ રહ્યું છે, somebody is taking her to the 10th floor with bad intentions. How will the camera be able to find out કે છોકરાનો એ બચ્ચીનો father છે, uncle છે, કે is a potential rapist? Cannot find out. How do you find out if your guard is missing from duty? He is not there. You may have the most expensive camera, but which camera will tell you that the guard is not available on duty? Not going to help. So while real-time surveillance, which is what we all try to say, we have to do real-time हमारे जोऊ छे, so let me give you a few facts about real-time surveillance, why it fails. There is research that proves that 19 minutes, 19 minutes, a person becomes 40% video blind in 19 minutes. In 44 minutes, he becomes 95% video blind. So So you may have command and control centers, manso am joya kare છે, but that's all they do. Is he observing anything? It is not a Salman Khan film. You can't blame him. He bore thawanu છે, એને ઊંઘ આવવાની છે. He is a human being like you and me. It is watching boring cameras, right? So what is the option with that? Real time surveillance ની સાથે સાથે post facto surveillance ને જોડો. Review કરો, CCTV ને review કરો as a standard operating procedure. You must review, so your customers have to review. I'm not asking you to review, and that can be another business opportunity for you. And again, this industry will tell you about video analytics, but they have forgotten that there is something called human analytics. God gave us this brain between our ears and gave us two eyes to understand things that a system cannot understand. So at the border between the Indian-Pakistan border, when there are the heat sensing cameras, they can't see. Our Indian soldier cannot see what is coming. He has to use his best judgment and decide whether he is firing an enemy or whether he is firing a brother soldier. That is human analytics. So video analytics must work in tandem with human analytics, and I can tell you that human analytics will give you far more better results than video analytics can. The industry doesn't even have a storage standard today. કોઈ કહેશે હું 1 દિવસ માટે વિડિયો રાખું છું, કોઈ કહેશે 3 દિવસ માટે વિડિયો રાખું છું, કોઈ કહેશે 7 દિવસ માટે વિડિયો રાખું છું, કોઈ કહેશે 1 વર્ષ માટે વિડિયો રાખું છું. There is no standard. મારો પ્રશ્ન એમ છે કે જો તમે 3 દિવસ કે 3 મહિના માટે રાખતા હો અને એની પહેલાનો જ વિડિયો જોયો તો ક્યાંથી લાવશો? નહીં મળે. So we solve all these problems. All these problems are solved. Take the next slide, please. So the camera, as you know, let's go to something very basic. The camera does its job. Now it is time for you to do your job. And let us see what they are. We remember about Peshawar. It has got nothing to do with cameras. But I still want to show you this slide. Because after this school opened, our school chalu thai pachi ત્યારે લોકો Pakistan Army is guarding it. Okay, next slide. પેશાવર થયું પછી સેન્ટરે શું કહ્યું સ્કૂલોને કે તમે કેમેરા વધારો. કેમેરા વધારો means you are also going to have more problems, because who is going to see them? Unless you see them, nothing is going to happen. Next slide, please. There is a new act that is coming now in Maharashtra, and this may also happen in Gujarat, which very clearly says that each one of us have to do things to enhance our own security. આપણે પોતે જ પગલા ભરવા પડશે સિક્યુરિટી વધારવા માટે. Police cannot do too much. Police can only do so much. They cannot do so much. So each one of us, આપણે પોતે એક we have to do things to help the police to help us. Next slide. So finally, moral of the story is two. 3 things, and that is what our software does. We are a software. We work with any camera brand, any NVR, any DVR, 5-year-old, 5 years in the future, we don't care. We just get onto your Windows PC and we will ensure that you get a backup forever if need be. You will be with our software, you will be able to review 24 hours of video in 1 hour. 24 કલાકનો વિડિયો 1 કલાકમાં જોઈ શકશો through a very efficient fast forward and a time lapse. Now a lot of you when you come to our table you may say, oh, but my DVR can also do a fast forward. My request with you is, let's do a challenge. We will do a DVR fast forward and we will do our fast forward and we will see who scores. Alright? So we will take care of review. So you need to do only 3 things. Number 1, रोज CCTV check करो. A customer must check every day. तो એને ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ દેખાવા મળશે. વસ્તુઓ દેખાતી નથી એનો અર્થ એમ નથી કે એ થઈ નથી, એનો અર્થ એટલો જ છે કે એ રિપોર્ટ થઈ, એનો ખ્યાલ ન આવ્યો. નહીં તો આ કોઈ આ જેટલા એક્ઝામ્પલ મેં તમને આપ્યા એ એકે થયા નથી. બેકઅપ રાખો અને ઇન્સિડન્ટ્સ ને રિપોર્ટ કરો in a standardized format. So I had the opportunity to speak about standardizing incident reports globally. I went to Interpol and I spoke at Interpol that when incidents do not differ by geography, okay, a murder in Gujarat is no different from a murder in Bombay, no different from a murder in Boston. It's a standard. Incident is an incident, both criminal and non-criminal, same, right? So incident report standardized karina ki aapne. Next slide, please. Review CCTV daily as a standard operating procedure. करो અને જે તમને દેખાતું હોય એને નોટ ડાઉન કરો. We have some wonderful books which we recommend to people કે તમે આવી books વાપરો, આ books ની અંદર લખો અને જે દેખાય એની એક્શન લો. Because જ્યારે તમે જોશો અને તમને આ વસ્તુ દેખાશે, so what you do prevention. એક વસ્તુ દેખાઈ ગઈ તમને તો તમે પ્રિવેન્ટ કરશો. રોજ તમે જોવો છો કે તમારો 3 વાગે અને 4 વાગ્યાની વચ્ચે બે કેમેરા તમારા બંધ રહેશે, તો એટલીસ્ટ યુ વિલ ક્વેશ્ચન કે ભાઈ કેમ આ કે ઇઝ ધેર સમ પ્રોબ્લેમ, why is this camera stopping between 3 and 4 every day? Is somebody trying to change the camera position? Is somebody trying to do something? This is crime prevention. Prevent crime, prevent losses. Don't do something, don't let it happen. Don't wait for things to go wrong. There are easy methods to do it. Next. So post facto surveillance માં તમને શું દેખાશે? As I spoke કે આ જે નાનકડી છોકરી છે, why is Sasha on this floor? She should not be here. Take the case of a retail store. Retail store માં તમે જાઓ, you want to buy something અને જો સ્ટાફ તમારી સામે તમને ધ્યાન ના આપતો હોય તો will you buy from that staff? ક્યાંય કેમેરા લાગે છે. If you see there, the people are on the mobile phone. I mean, if those staff members are on the mobile phone, you are going to be offended. What happens is your sales go down, right? Guard is sleeping, somebody is conducting a recce, cameras are not working. આ બધી વસ્તુઓ તમને દેખાવા મળશે. Next. So let's take one basic question. Why doesn't anybody review? CCTV કેમ કોઈ જોતું નથી? Because it's very difficult. 24 કલાકના કેમેરા કઈ રીતે જોવા? પણ એ 24 કલાકના કેમેરા માટે જો 1 કલાક તમે કાઢી શકો દિવસનો તો જોવા મળશે, બધા જોવા મળશે. Because when you start discovering and if you start preventing losses, then you will set a standard of watching. See, તમને કઈ ફાયદો થશે તમે કરશો. So આ ફાયદો છે. નુકસાન ન થવું મોટો ફાયદો છે. તમારા પ્રીમિયમ ઓછા થવા મળશે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ કંપનીઝના. Insurance companies, you know, we all know कि आपने जरा गाड़ी में इंश्योरेंस रिन्यू करिए तो we get something called a no claim bonus, right? 40% off आप insurance company. So now let's take the case of a jeweler. A jeweler is paying very heavy insurance premium to the insurance company, correct? Because he's got very expensive stuff. Now if the crime comes down, if his losses come down, he can go after 2 years and say, oh, મારે ત્યાં અમે ચોરી બહુ ઓછી થઈ. I've got this software, I've got great cameras and I've got software and we are doing absolutely okay. Bring down the insurance claim. So whatever you pay to acquire this software, the return of investment might even happen within 1 month. All right, next slide please. A very important thing is signage. There is no global standard for signage. जो warning CCTV, कोई cases mind करो, etc., right? You put all these various kinds of signs. छताय crime થાય છે. ગમે એટલી સાઇન રાખો છતાંય crime થાય છે. So મારું કેવું એમ છે કે એ સાઇન બદલી નાખો અને સાઇન બદલીને ખાલી આ સાઇન કરો કે અમે CCTV રોજ ચેક કરીએ છીએ. પછી તમે ચેક ન બી કરો પણ જે તમારી દુકાનમાં આવે છે he doesn't know that. He will look at this and say, oh, અહીંયા આ બોર્ડ છે, આ લોકો જોવે છે રોજ, હું બીજી દુકાનમાં જઈને ચોરી કરું. પણ બીજી દુકાનમાં જ્યારે જશે તો આ જ બોર્ડ દેખાશે. ત્રીજી દુકાનમાં જશે ત્યારે આ જ બોર્ડ દેખાશે. So I am saying કે as an industry we should come together. આ સાહેબે આપણે 264, 265 ની વાતો કરી. These are industry standards. So in the same way, let us adopt a simple standard. Simply, these are all simple solutions to so-called complex problems. Next. So as I spoke, if you standardize incident reports, I can show you this. It will start delivering intelligence to you. Next slide. Next slide. Okay. Finally, I want to make one big announcement here. We believe that this software will become a de facto tool in some years to come. Not years is too long, some months to come. શું થશે આ સોફ્ટવેરની એકવાર વેલ્યુ લોકોને ખ્યાલ આવવા મળશે એટલે દરેક કેમેરાની જોડે આ સોફ્ટવેર બંડલ થવાનું છે. બીકોઝ આજે તમે કોઈ પણ કેમેરા લઈ લો, કોઈ પણ વિડિયો મેનેજમેન્ટ સિસ્ટમ લઈ લો, તો આ સોફ્ટવેર જે તમને વેલ્યુ આપે છે એ કોઈ સિસ્ટમ કે કોઈ કેમેરા તમને વેલ્યુ નથી આપે. So once the police, and we are talking to lots of police agencies, once the police begin to adopt this and they begin to realize that our software લગાડવાથી આપણા શહેરની અંદર ક્રાઇમ ઓછો થાય છે. So they will begin. So when we are talking on state government levels, in various country levels, so in a certain sense અમને એમ થાય છે કે ભગવાને કદાચ એક થોડી સદબુદ્ધિ અમારામાં આપી છે કે આવું સોફ્ટવેર અમે બનાવ્યું. માર્ક ઝકરબર્ગે ફેસબુક બનાવ્યું, બિલ ગેટ્સે વિન્ડોઝ બનાવ્યું. અમને એમ છે કે આ કોન્સર્ટ એ લેવલ સુધી કદાચ નહીં જાય પણ એ લેવલ સુધીનો ઇમ્પેક્ટ કરશે. સો એઝ અ સોશિયલ રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી અને પ્રભુને થેન્ક યુ કહેવા માટે કે આપે અમને આ એક ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી આપી, we are going to give this software for free to all places of worship world over. So whether it is a mandir, it is a masjid, it is a gurudwara, it is a fire temple, it is a church, we want to give it for free. And why do we want to do this? We also realize as a social responsibility, especially in a country like India, which is so diverse, has આટલા બધા રિલિજન્સ છે આપણે ત્યાં, કે એક મંદિરમાં જો અટેક થાય તો આખા દેશભરમાં એના રિપર્કશન્સ થાય છે. એક ચર્ચમાં અટેક થાય તો બીજી જગ્યામાં રિપર્કશન્સ થાય છે. એક મસ્જિદમાં અટેક થાય તો ત્રીજી જાતના રિપર્કશન્સ થાય છે. હમણાં જ આપણે જોયું હજમાં bad incident, nothing to do with it was not koi jaate karine notu karu, but if they had a situation where they were able to see, with using our software they were able to see things much faster, perhaps it could have been avoided. So if we get this opportunity, we will consider ourselves blessed. તમારામાંથી કોઈને કે સોમનાથ ટેમ્પલમાં ઓળખાણ છે, કોઈ ગુજરાતના બીજા ટેમ્પલ્સમાં ઓળખાણ છે, પ્લીઝ અમને લખજો. We will verify and you can go and integrate that software in those places of worship. So finally, in conclusion, I want to say two things. One, કે કંઈક ગડબડ થાય એની માટે વાટ ન જુઓ. Prevention પહેલેથી જ કરો. We have all grown up with the adage that prevention is better than cure. Prevent જ કરો તો ક્યોર કરવાનો સવાલ નહીં આવે. અને એક બીજી વસ્તુ, એક આપણે પ્રશ્ન પૂછ્યું કે આ બધા હેડેક્સની જે આટલી બધી હેડેક્સની આપણે વાતો કરી, તો આપણે હેડેક હોય તો કઈ ગોળી ખાઈએ આપણે? ઇન્ડિયામાં કઈ ગોળી ખાઈએ? ક્રોસિન. What this entire video surveillance industry wants to do, they all, especially these big companies who come up with millions of dollars worth of solutions, which unfortunately may or may not work, not sure. They want to suggest chemotherapy for a headache. Now you don't want chemotherapy for a headache. These are headaches. And this can be solved very easily with this product, which is Acrosin. That will work. I guarantee you it will work. You spend a little effort, I guarantee that it will work. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to be with you. Thanks for listening.